Welcome to homework.
Limit as n goes to infinity of an. This is limit as n goes to infinity of minus 1 to the n divided by 2 square root of n. Okay, and this limit is going to be 0. So if this minus 1 to the n is throwing you off and you need convincing of this fact, consider limit as n goes to infinity of absolute value of an. Certainly if this goes to 0, then we also must have that this goes to 0. The only way for an to go to 0 would be if absolute value of an went to 0 and vice versa. Okay, so if you need convincing of this, just consider this and then it should be clear. As n goes to infinity, if we're just looking at absolute value, we just have 1 over 2 to the square root of n. Okay, this is 1 is just some finite number, 2 is just some finite number, so this 1 and 2 aren't really going to do much. And then the square root of n is definitely going to go to infinity as n goes to infinity. So this is going to look like 1 over infinity, which is, of course, 0. Okay, so this limit is 0, which means that we converge to 0. And again, I was just doing the absolute value here to convince you that this minus 1 to the n in our original expression wasn't going to mess up the fact that this limit does indeed go to 0.